Tyler. Who knew 7 years ago when I decided to go to a bonfire with friends that I would be meeting my future husband? I can't wait to watch our future unfold. Our first house, traveling the world, having babies, getting old together, and all the other adventures I know we will have.
Love you.
I love you.
Dear future, Mrs. Amanda Parvin. It's easy to take for granted how lucky I am to love the woman of my dreams every day, and for you to love me in return all the same. I feel like I've known you my entire life, and even now, even today, I am more excited than ever to start this new adventure and continue to know you for the rest of our lives.